Hi there, welcome to our video on how to improve your baby's sleep. As a parent, you know how important it is to ensure your baby is getting enough restful sleep. But sometimes, babies can have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, which can be frustrating and exhausting for parents. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips on how to improve your baby's sleep and help them get the rest they need to grow and develop. Tip 1. Create a sleep routine. The first tip we have is to establish a sleep routine. Babies thrive on routine, and having a consistent bedtime routine can help them understand that it's time to sleep. This routine can include activities such as a warm bath, a bedtime story, or a lullaby. Establish a regular time for your baby's bedtime, and try to stick to it as much as possible. This will help your baby's body get into a rhythm and make it easier for them to fall asleep. Tip 2. Make sure the baby is comfortable. The second tip is to ensure that your baby is comfortable. Make sure that they are dressed appropriately for the temperature of the room, that their diaper is clean and dry, and that they are in a comfortable position to sleep. A comfortable sleeping environment is essential for a good night's rest. Tip 3. Avoid stimuli before sleeping. The third tip is to avoid stimulating activities before bedtime. Activities such as playing, watching TV, or using a cell phone or tablet can make your baby restless and make it harder for them to fall asleep. Instead, opt for calming activities such as reading a book or singing a lullaby to help your baby wind down before bedtime. Tip 4. Feed the baby properly. The fourth tip is to make sure that your baby is well fed. A hungry or uncomfortable baby can have trouble falling asleep, so make sure that your baby is fed appropriately in terms of quantity and quality. A full belly can help your baby feel more relaxed and ready for sleep. Tip 5. Create a quiet environment. The fifth tip is to create a quiet and peaceful sleeping environment for your baby. Try to reduce external noise as much as possible and use soft lighting, such as a nightlight, to help your baby feel secure and comfortable. The temperature of the room should also be comfortable, not too hot or too cold. Tip 6. Put the baby to sleep awake. The sixth tip is to put your baby to sleep while they are still awake. This helps your baby learn how to self-soothe and fall asleep on their own. Avoid rocking or feeding your baby to sleep, as this can create a dependency on these actions to fall asleep. Tip 7. Don't respond to every need of the baby during the night. Our final tip is to not respond to every need of your baby during the night. This may sound counterintuitive, but sometimes babies cry for no reason, and it's important to give them the chance to self-soothe and learn how to fall back asleep on their own. Of course, if your baby is hungry or needs a diaper change, you should attend to their needs. But try to give them a few minutes to see if they can settle back down on their own before intervening. And that's it for our tips on how to improve your baby's sleep. Remember that every baby is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It may take some trial and error to find the right sleep routine for your baby, but with patience and perseverance, you can help your baby get the restful sleep they need to thrive.